In this video, we will see about dielectrics combined in series combination. Suppose between the plates of a parallel plate capacitor, half the distance between the plates is filled with K1, remaining half will be filled with dielectric of dielectric constant K2. So this can be assumed to be having kind of two capacitors connected in series with K1 is filling half the distance d by 2 but spread across the entire area fully, and K2 is filling half the distance d by 2 and filling the entire area. So this capacitance of this will be C1 will be K1 epsilon naught, this full area A by the distance is actually d by 2. C2 will be equal to K2 epsilon naught A by d by 2. But now what we are going to do is, we are going to take out K1 and K2, we will be filling it with a single dielectric, we will be filling it with a single dielectric K, such that this behaves this way. So what is the capacitance of this? K will be equal to epsilon naught A by D, and C will be equal to K epsilon naught A by D. Since this way of filling behaves like series combination, because what charges appear here, the same amount will appear in the opposite direction here, in the opposite sense here, and then here. So series combination effective capacitance will be actually equal to 1 by C effective will be equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. 1 by C is actually D by K epsilon naught A plus C2 will be equal to D by 2 by K1 epsilon naught A plus C2 will be D by 2 K2 epsilon naught A. So epsilon naught A will be cancelling, and D and D will be cancelled, 2 will be there. So 1 by K will be equal to 1 by 2 times 1 by K1 plus 1 by K2. Suppose if there are like K1, K2, K3 and so on, n capacitance, n dielectrics you are filling between the plates in such a way that each dielectric fills d by n space, half half, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 and so on, like 1 by nth, 1 by nth, 1 nth, 1 nth, like that. If you fill means 1 by K series will be equal to 1 by n times 1 by n times 1 by K1 plus 1 by K2 and so on up till 1 by Kn. So in general, that formula can be written as, if you take the reciprocal on either sides, Ks becomes 1 by Ks becomes K series, effective dielectric constant in series, 1 by 2 becomes 2, if there are n means it will be like n, and 1 by K1 plus 1 by K2 and so on plus 1 by Kn whole power minus 1 you can put. So how it can be applied, we will just do it in the next example problem. Suppose the problem given is like this. Between the plates of a capacitor, 1/4 of the distance is filled with dielectric of dielectric constant K1, remaining 3/4 is filled with dielectric of dielectric constant K2. What is the capacitance of this segment? Capacitance of this segment C1 will be equal to K1 epsilon naught A, because this fills the entire area, by the distance up to which K1 is filled is d by 2, d by 4, and capacitance of this portion will be C2 will be equal to K2 into epsilon naught A by 3d by 4. Now you are taking out these two and filling it with a single dielectric K. The effective dielectric is K. In such case, the capacitance of the effective dielectric C will be equal to K effective, and this is in series, let me call as CKS into epsilon naught A by, it is filling the entire space, that is why it is D. We know that these three capacitors are related like this. 1 by C will be equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. 1 by C will be D by K series epsilon naught A, which will be equal to 1 by C1 will be D by 4 by K1 epsilon naught A plus 3D by 4 by K2 epsilon naught A. Epsilon naught A are cancelled, D and D will be cancelled. So 1 by Ks will be equal to 1 by 4 K1 plus 3 by 4 K2. When you take the reciprocal, when you take LCM will be 4 K1 K2, and here it is K2 plus 3 K1 and it is 1 by Ks. Then the effective constant, effective dielectric in series will be equal to 4 K1 K2 by 3 K1 plus K2.